On your Home tab, click on the top 3 dots on the right-hand side. Then click Pay SSS. Great! Now enter your 10-digit SSS number and click Next. Now, if you don't have money loaded on your account yet, you will need to load it now. Click Load Money. Now choose your loading method. We're going to go with credit card. Click Load. Enter the amount. In this case, it's 18 euros. Usually it's the same amount. Key in your name, your credit card number. Your expiry and your CVC, and click Pay Now. Great! Now your deposit has been successful and you'll see the amount. Get out of this pop-up. Go back to the top right 3 dots and back to Pay SSS. Key in your number again and click Next. Confirm your order. As you can see, there's no fee. Click Pay Now. Great! Rewire has sent your request to SSS services. It usually takes about 1 hour to get approved, and you will be notified when the payment has been approved, and you can see it in your History tab. That's it, you're done.